To collect your payment from Agoda to your bank account, follow these steps. Log in. Access your Agoda account by logging in on their website or app. Ensure you have completed any necessary verification processes required by Agoda. Navigate to Payment section. Go to the My Bookings or Payment section. This area will show your pending and completed payments. Verify payment details. Ensure that your payment details, including bank account information, are correctly entered. You might need to update or confirm your bank details if they are not already saved in your account. Request payment. If you're a partner or have earned a commission, navigate to the Payment Request or Withdrawal section. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw and select your linked bank account as the destination. Confirm details. Review your payment request to ensure all information is accurate. Confirm the request to initiate the transfer. Wait for processing. Agoda will process the payment request. Transfer times can vary, but it typically takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Check your bank account. Monitor your bank account to verify that the funds have been deposited. If there are delays or issues, contact Agoda support for assistance.